Hello, it's Donnie from the Philomath Montessori School. And one of my good friends from school expressed an interest in understanding more about the immune system. And I thought that sounded like a very interesting topic to do some research on. So I read a lot about it and I wrote a story about it. I wrote a report, which I'm going to read for you now. It's called The Immune System. The immune system is a lot of things going on in your body that helps keep you well and helps you get better when you're sick. How does it work? That's really interesting. We begin by knowing that all living things have intelligence and they know a lot about what they are supposed to do. You know a lot about what you're supposed to do. You have intelligence. And even living things that don't have brains, like plants, have intelligence. For example, the beans that I planted in the garden just a few days ago knew to put the roots down and send the shoots up. And they're just beans. All living things are made of teeny tiny building blocks too small to see. They're called cells. And there are different kinds of cells in living things. Just in your body alone, you have many different kinds of cells. You have skin cells and heart cells and fingernail cells. And the heart cells grow where your heart is, and the fingernail cells grow right where they should at the tips of your fingers, because they have intelligence and they know what to do. In your blood, which is always moving around your body, you have two kinds of cells. You have red blood cells. Red blood cells carry energy and oxygen to all the parts of your body. And you also have white blood cells. White blood cells fight off illnesses and infections, and they help heal wounds and injuries. White blood cells know that there are good germs in your body, like some bacteria, as well as bad germs, like viruses and certain other bacteria. The good bacteria helps your body make energy from the food you eat, and it even helps you feel happier. Your immune system protects those good bacteria too, and they fight off illnesses at the same time. Your immune system is incredible. Your immune system has to learn what germs and cells to attack and how to attack them, to fight them off. They started learning that when you were just a baby inside a woman. Maybe that woman was your mother. Maybe it was some other nice lady. It doesn't matter. That woman's immune system protected you from illnesses all the while you were inside her and for a few months after you were born. And if you drank your mother's milk, you kept getting her immune cells, also called antibodies. You kept getting those from her milk. At the cattle ranch next door to where I live, there are lots of mamas and babies, lots of cows and calves. And the mama cows are always licking their babies' faces, licking their calves' faces. I call it kissing because it seems like a very loving thing for them to do. And it is. When the mama licks the baby's face, she is taking germs from that baby's face and putting them in her own body, and the mama's immune system starts making immune cells to give to her baby through her milk. And so the immune cells know just what germs they will be meeting when they go see that baby. And when you and your mama kissed, she took your germs and she started making immune cells for you to get from her milk. and that helped you build your immune system. Now that you're not a baby anymore, there are things that you can do to build your immune system. You can eat a healthy, balanced diet. You can get lots of good sleep and rest. And you can get lots of good physical activity from play and exercise and sports. And you can wash your hands often and keep your hands off your face so that you're not putting so many germs into your body. That way your immune system gets a little rest now and then. I hope you enjoyed hearing this true story about the immune system. It is a very complex system, and if you needed to listen to the story again, I could certainly understand why. Thank you for your attention today and for your interest. I wish you a good day. Until next time. Bye-bye.